Welcome to a new video. It's so great you're here. I really don't know why I didn't make this video before, but it was time. Today we're going to draw Goku. More specifically, we're going to draw Goku Ultra Instinct. Just like we did in the video of Encanto, we're going to see how different lines cross and intersect in Goku's face. I'm Gus, and this is Wiseguss illustration. Take pencil and paper and come draw with me. So let's begin the analysis. We'll start by analyzing Goku's face. But first I want to mention that in this kind of productions are not as strict as in other productions like in Disney characters or in 3D animation. First, we will analyze Goku's front view face. His face shape is a circle and a pentagon shape, as we often see in real faces and even in cartoon faces. But the ratio of his face is very different from a real face. A normal face ratio is 1:1:1, but Goku's face ratio is 1.2, 0.8, and 0.6. This means a bigger forehead, a smaller area for the eyes, and an even smaller area for the mouth. They want to show some very dramatic eyes, and we notice how the mouth is not that important. Notice how the size of the eyes point to the chin, and how the eyes and eyebrows form triangles, and the nose creates a rhombus with a bigger triangle on top and a smaller one in the bottom. In most cases, the mouth is very close to the nose. When we see his face sideways, we're going to see how the cranium is an oval and his jaw is a triangle in the bottom side of that oval. The ratio is very similar to the front view, but it's not necessarily the same. We see how the eyes are pointing to the nose and the side of them is pointing to the chin. In a three-quarter view, we pretty much see the same guidelines. I'm going to do a very quick mention of Goku with his round eyes. We're going to notice how the space for his eyes in his face is much bigger in this case. The eyebrows are much higher. They even touch the top center line, the line for a normal face. And then they point to the nose. The bottom of his eyes go from the center of the nose to the ear. The top of his eyes are round, and they kind of create a famous M shape from the chin to the side of the face. For my demo picture, I'm going to draw a Goku Ultra Instinct. So I use what I learned from these guidelines to create my own version of Goku. I really don't think that is something you haven't seen before. Anyhow, so the first thing I did was to color the picture using bluish hues. Mainly because the light around him is going to be blue. I duplicated the picture and used the Add Blending mode to get lighter colors. Then I erased on that layer to create darker areas. In this picture, a lot of different areas are going to be in a different layer. Lighter colors, darker colors, accents. Everything is going to be in their own layer so I can play with the brightness and different adjustments. Light is coming from all sides, including the bottom. That is why a lot of the shadows are in the top sides of the different shapes. I included a rim of blue light coming from a bit from the back. Almost as a final touch, I changed the line's color to be closer to the color area. Some special lights to finish the picture, and voila! If you like this kind of content, please let me know in the comments and also help me with a thumbs up. Remember to subscribe for more content like this. Adios!